Hello friends, welcome to N Universe Double Two. In this video, we will try to solve the numerical that is based on vertical surface submerged in liquid. The statement of the numerical is a rectangular plane surface is 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. It lies in vertical plane in water. So the dimension of the surface is given 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. Determine the total pressure force, that is capital F, and position of center of pressure, that is H star, on the plane surface when its upper edge is horizontal. And here two cases are here. First case, coincide with water surface when its upper edge is horizontal and coincide with water surface, and second case, its upper edge is horizontal and 2.5 meter below the free surface of water. So here is two condition. So firstly, write down the given variables. Width of plane surface, that is B, that is 2 meter. Depth of plane surface, that is D, equal to 3 meter. So considering first case, upper edge coincide with water surface. So here we can see in the diagram, this is the free surface of the liquid, and this is the static fluid, and this is the vertical plane surface, that is rectangular plane surface, that is vertically immersed in the liquid. And 2 meter, this is the width of plane, and 3 meter, this is depth of the plane. So as we know, this is the G point, center of gravity, that is at a distance of h bar from free surface of liquid. And this is point P, center of pressure. This is at a distance of h star from free surface of liquid. So here F equal to rho G AH bar. Rho is the density of water, that is constant 1000 kg per meter cube. G is acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.81 meter per second square, that is also constant. So here we need A, that is the area of the surface. So that is rectangular surface. So that is 3 into 2, that is equal to 6 meter square. So now H bar, this is the distance of center of gravity. So that is the half of its depth. 3 by 2 equal to 1.5 meter. So substitute all these value in this equation, F equal to rho G AH bar. So then we get F equal to 1000 density into 9.81 G into 6, that is area, into 1.4, that is H bar. So that is equal to 88,290 Newton. Now depth of center of pressure is given by equation, that is H star equal to Ig upon AH bar plus H bar. So here is only one unknown variable, that is Ig. So that is Ig, that is the moment of inertia about center of gravity of the area of the surface. And in case of rectangular surface, as we know, Ig equal to BD cube upon 12. B is 2 and D is the depth 3. So 2 into 3 cube equal upon 12. So that is equal to 4.5 meter raised to the power 4. So here substituting these value in this equation, then we get H star equal to 4.5 upon 6 into 1.5 plus 1.5. So that is equal to 0.5 plus 1.5, that is 2 meter. So H star, that is 2 meter. So here the P point that lies at a distance of 2 meter from free surface of liquid. Now we consider the case number 2. So in case 2, upper edge is 2.5 meter below water surface. So here F equal to rho G AH bar. So here rho 1000 G 9.81 A, that is the area, 6 meter square. So the difference is here H bar, because now the horizontal surface, that is at a distance of 2.5 meter below from the water surface, as we can see in the diagram. Now this rectangular plane surface, that is 2.5 meter below this surface. So for calculating this value, we need to see here H bar, this is the distance of center of gravity from free surface of liquid. So now we add 2.5 plus 3 by 2, because depth is 3. So center of gravity at the middle, so that is 3 by 2. This is 1.5 plus 2.5, so that is equal to 4 meter. Substitute this value in above equation. F equal to 1000 into 9.81 into 6 into 4 equal to 235,440 Newton. And central pressure is given by H star equal to Iz by AH bar plus H bar. So where Iz, that is 4.5, BD cube by 12, area 6, H bar equal to 4 meter. So substitute all these value in this equation. Then we get H star equal to 4.5 by 6 into 4 plus 4, and that is this fraction, that is equal to 0.1875 plus 4, so that is equal to 4.1875 meter. So this is the numerical one that we have discussed, and now we try to solve numerical number 2. So this is numerical number 2. The statement of the numerical is determine the total pressure on a circular plate of diameter 1.5 meter. Now the plate is circular and its diameter is 1.5 meter, which is placed vertically in water, that is placed vertically in such a way that center of the plate is 3 meter below. I repeat this line, center of the plate is 3 meter below the free surface of water. Find the position of central pressure also. So here we need to find out first total pressure force and position of central pressure, that is capital F, and this is H star. So now firstly write down the given variables. Diameter of the plate is given, that is D equal to 1.5 meter, and in case of circular plate, the area of a circle, that is pi by 4 d square. So diameter is 1.5, substitute this value, so we get area that is equal to 1.767 meter square. Now we move towards the figure. So this is the free surface of liquid, and according to statement, the center of plate is 3 meter below the free surface of the water. So this is the plate, and this G point is center of the plate, and this point lies at a distance of 3 meter from the free surface of the liquid. So we can say this distance G from the free surface, distance of G from the free surface, that is 3 meter. So obviously this 3 meter, this is equal to H bar. So we can write it H bar equal to 3 meter. Now total pressure is given by the equation F equal to rho G AH bar. Rho is the density of water, that is 1000 kg per meter cube. G acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.81 meter per second square. A is the area, that is 1.767 meter square, and H bar, that is 3 meter. So after calculating, the final result is 52,002.81 Newton. So this is the total pressure force. Now second, we need to find out position of center of pressure, that is H star. So as we know, in case of vertical plane surface submerged in liquid, H star equal to Iz upon AH bar plus H bar. So this H bar, this is the P point, because P lies below the G point, and this P point is known as central pressure, and this lies at a distance of H star from free surface of liquid, and we need to find out this value H star, and this H star, that is equal to Iz upon AH bar plus H bar. So here Iz, the surface is circular, and for circular section Iz, that is equal to pi d raised to the power 4 divided by 64. So diameter is 1.5, substitute the value of d, and we get Iz equal to 0.2485 meter raised to the power 4, and substituting the value of Ig in this equation, and that is H star equal to 0.2485, area that is 1.767 into H bar that is 3 meter plus H bar that is 3 meter. So this fraction equal to 0.0468 plus 3, and finally H star equal to 3.0468 meter. So we can say the point P that lies at a distance of 3.0468 meter from the free surface of liquid. So in this video we have learnt how to solve the numerical which are based on vertical plane surface submerged in liquid. If you like this video, share with your friends and students. Subscribe for more updates or more video and Universe 22. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.